in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Secretary. Out of 11 members of Sanggunian, there are 9 present this morning. So I declare our electoral regular session October 6, 2025 in quorum. Any motion the approval of the order of business for this session?
Mr. Chair.
Recognize the Honorable Joel Bujungan.
Okay, good morning everyone. I move for the approval of the order of business on this 12th regular session October 6, 2025 with the insertion of the letter of complaint of our designated supervisor of law enforcement, traffic enforcement, Mr. Aristarco Tagupa, against Joy Dubalagan, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Bujungan. There's a pending motion. Any motion? Motion is seconded by Honorable Balais. Motion is hereby approved. Next, any motion approval of the previous minutes dated September 29, 2025. Recognize Honorable Giselle Sumaba.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good morning, everyone. I move for the approval of the previous minutes dated September 29, 2025 without any correction and dispense its reading.
Moved by Honorable Sumaba, seconded by Honorable Idusma, Honorable Balais. Any remarks? None. Motion of Honorable Sumaba is hereby approved. Privilege out. Any member?
Mr. Chair.
Recognized. Honorable Marites Mixton.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good morning, everyone. Ako lang ipaabot ang ato ang kahitang karon diri sa atong kadagatan. Labi na aning mga nanggihimo dia o mga panagatan structures like piscages nga nasubra na sa ato ang ordinansa, nasubra na sa pambalaod diri. Ay sa kapamilya nga magtukod o napulo. Kayon, dili pa yun sila, i-finance pa yun sa tangalaing lugar which is may pag-iuban nagtunong, naiuban nagtulong nga walang galit permit. So, naatay kumpleto nga ordinansa ato alam ang tani nga mataga mag-penalize yun o unsay patuman yun o unsay atong ordinansa. Kaya kini atong pagsibuhat agi o pagprotekta sa ato ang kadagatan. Ato yung itungo og tuyo para sa kapuhalahan, sa kapuhalahan natong mga lungsuranon na may makapanagat din na. Ay alam no, dili tama. Pura ba o dili ma-occupy sa laing mga tao. Kana is ang atong kadagatan is ipreparar yun na to para sa atong kaigsuunang mananagat diri sa lungsod sa Tudela. O usab pod kaning pila ka tuig pila nga wala na gyud pag-atiman bayad gani og buhis kayo nanaghan Panginoon ang ilahang mga panagatan masupak yun kayo sa balaod nga atong ako lang yayo Mr. Chair uban sa ato ang implementor no ang executive department nga unta makorrekted yun o matarong yun ang ato adihang lugar. Mora na Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you Honorable Marites Mixton sa imong concern in line sa ato ang postal na concern no sa ato ang kadagatan within the area sa Tudela. So, any member?
Mr. Chair.
Recognize Honorable Giselle Sumaba.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Same sentiment, Mr. Chair. In addition, with the privileged message of our Honorable Marites Mixton, would like to add something, Mr. Chair, that those na nagtukod dito karon, Mr. Chair, unfortunately, pag-check namo sa record, only 6 owners na nakabayad since 2024 and 2025. So, nganong dili man nato na siya mga trabaho with dito sa mga naka-designated, Mr. Chair ba, diba? Na may naka-designate, especially, I don't know, sa agriculture na siguro ang nakatanawa na. So, dapat, Mr. Chair, ikaw na yun nila na, i-implement yun nila ang dapat nilang i-implement. So, kanang mga nalubra din na, basig makahatag notice nila, ASAP na for guba na ba? Kaya outside naman sa iyang quad. Plus, permit, penalize, di ba, na dito sa ordinance dito, if ikatulong nga offense, wala o na siya. So, ato na siguro nang ipa-implement, Mr. Chair, kaya dili magud na siya mahitabo karon. Magkadugang-dugang na siya din. Samo pod lang taon, especially na mag-soft opening na ang diri sa Amorak, Mr. Chair. So, na-brought up po na last time na if mag-soft opening na or mag-open na yun si Amorak din ha, muagi yun, nasa Amorak island hopping ba mahitabo, Mr. Chair, muagi sa atong kadagatan in which hugaw na ng tao sa atong area. So, dili na siya makapadani o mga turista na muagi aning dakita. So, murag kita'y mamaot ang panagway din dakita. So, ato na pagitaan siguro pamaagi, Mr. Chair, na ma-implement yun ang mga ma-implement, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Sumabat. With that concern, Honorable Sumabat, siguro, again, committee meeting with the Committee on Agriculture at sa mga committee sa Economic Enterprise kay in line man sa wapo nagbayad kay business in line man sa negosyo. So maybe this karong semana maka-call mo o committee para atong ipatawag treasury ang ato ang MAU and then kanang yung mga direct na concern nga wala nagtupo diha nga wala yung mga permit and then occupy o pila pa mo na dapat ang i-allow 2 to 3 rand Honorable Mixton. So ako nang itahas sa inyong mga committee Honorable Mixton, Honorable Sumabat. Okay, proceed. Reference business. We acknowledge the arrival of Honorable Samuel Provino III.
Reference of business, proposed ordinance. Letter A, proposed municipal ordinance number 25-02, sponsored by Honorable Rosito White Jr. And ordinance requiring national, regional, and local agencies to conduct a courtesy call with the local government unit prior to the implementation of projects and programs within the municipality of Tudela, Misamis Occidental.
Any motion? Any motion?
Mr. Chair,
Recognize Honorable Sumabat.
Proposed municipal ordinance number 25-02, sponsored by Honorable Rosito White Jr. and ordinance requiring national, regional, and local agencies to conduct a courtesy call with the local government unit prior to the implementation of projects and programs within the municipality of Tudela, Misamis Occidental. I move for first reading, Mr. Chair.
Committee level. Committee on Laws and Committee on Finances.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Sumabat. Duly seconded by Honorable Mixdon. Motion is served by
Mr. Chair,
I recognize the remarks of Honorable
Ilocos Committee on Committee.
by Wednesday siguro.
Wednesday.
And also sa agriculture, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Wednesday.
Morning or afternoon?
Morning lang.
Sige, morning lang.
Morning. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Lisman. Petitions or requests?
Petitions or request A, letter from Jose Alfonso P. Encinaria, the Sangguniang Bayan Secretary, dated October 3, 2025. Requesting the Sangguniang Bayan members for a resolution approving the realignment of funds from BMSD office, telephone expenses to other in OOE amounting 140,000 to accommodate the pending request for barangay financial assistance from GAP. Letter B, letter from the Municipal Mayor, Stella Austanio, dated October 3, 2025 to wit, 1. Requesting for a resolution authorizing the Municipal Mayor to enter into a data turnover agreement between the local government unit of Tudela, represented by Municipal Mayor Stella Austanio, and Philippine Statistics Authority, represented by Undersecretary National Statistician and Civil Registrar General Claire Dennis Ismapa, PhD. And letter C, the one that was inserted, letter complaint of Aristarco Tabuca, the traffic management supervisor, against Joy Dumalagan, the barangay Kagawan of Balud, due to resistance and disobedience under Article the revised penal code as amended by the Republic Act number 10951.
Item 1, any motion? Kini, urgent na ito nitong kay na atong gap is namurot na, no? Tungod kay, para sa masayuran sa tanan, atong gram na contributions before, ato mang gire-align into AX code. So, namurot na siya. And then natay pending karon ng mga request kami from the barangay. Wala na ito matagay pa. So, kinanglan nga na atay i-realign para ma-ilumine atong mga request sa barangay. Pinini ang katong uniforms ato ang mga sa ABC na request. So, ini motion?
Mr. Chair.
Recognize Honorable Sumaba.
Letter from Say Alfonso P. Senarial sa Tanimbayan Secretary dated October 3, 2025 requesting the Sangguniang members for resolution approving the realignment of funds from Vice Mayor and SB Office telephone expenses to other MOE amounting 140,000 to accommodate the pending request for barangay financial assistance from GAP. I move for first reading for Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, joint motion for approval, Mr. Chair.
Joint motion, in remarks, none. Motion Honorable Sumaba to serve by Letter B.
Mr. Chair,
Recognize Honorable Mixdon.
I move for a joint resolution with Mr. Chair authorizing the Mayor Estela Espanol to sign an agreement, no? For this Philippine Statistic Authority, represented by the Secretary, National Statistician and Federal Registrar General, Claire Dennis S. Mapa, PhD.
Joint motion, Honorable Mixdon.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
In remarks, none. There's a pending motion, Honorable Mixdon. None. Motion of Honorable Mixdon is hereby approved. Letter C. Honorable Bujungan.
Mr. Chair,
Okay, proceed.
I move for a committee meeting for this regarding with this letter complaint of Mr. Adco.
Schedule will be on
this coming Wednesday.
Wednesday. So,
1 o'clock.
invite Honorable Bujungan ang
In the committee.
katong barangay official sa Balon. Invite siya and then invite po ang usa ka personnel coming from PNP para masituloy ang concern.
Okay, Mr. Chair.
Mobile Honorable Bujungan from first reading to committee level. Any skill motion? Seconded by Honorable Umbay, Honorable Balais. Motion is hereby approved for committee level. Okay, Honorable Mixdon.
Okay.
Remarks?
For this one, Mr. Chair, ba, dapat ito siguro ni committee.
Committee level po. Wednesday, 1 o'clock.
What time?
1 o'clock.
Committee reports. Committee on Hall. Honorable Sumaba.
Okay, Mr. Chair. Ako na lang i-summarize, Mr. Chair.
Proceed, Honorable Sumaba.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair, for the...
Okay, before proceed, Honorable Sumaba, I have to recognize ang pag-abot ni Honorable Nilvin lagi. Proceed.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair. For this, during our committee on whole, Mr. Chair, regarding with the agenda of this ordinance number 25-34, so the committee agreed that the sharing system for the IP communities and the barangay will be from the environmental fees, Mr. Chair. So that is from that is around 50% of the environmental fee will go to both parties, Mr. Chair, and the remaining 50% will be to the LGU, Mr. Chair. And then that was agreed last committee meeting, and they will just wait for the resolution from the IP community, Mr. Chair, na napatinuod they are also amenable with the decision of the committee last committee whole meeting. So, kanta na itong ipaabot from their end, Mr. Chair, and then we'll proceed to the MOA pag na-okay na tanan. And then, so, kato siya, Mr. Chair, for this ordinance number 25-34, I move for second reading, Mr. Chair.
Moved by Honorable Sumaba, duly seconded by Honorable Mixdon from committee level to second reading. In remarks, none, motion is hereby approved. Letter B,
Mr. Chair,
recognize Honorable Lumbay.
good morning everyone. This committee, napahigayon atong Wednesday, no? Ang committee, all members of the committee, this agree of the committee ordinance of the Atsal during nagdilit pagbaligya o pag-usip o pagwasak sa yuta ang kabilin sulod sa duling sa tuloy ng San Secretary, Mr. Chair. I move for public hearing, Mr. Chair.
Schedule.
By wala na siguro, Mr. Chair, kung murang katapusan sa October kay nako'y activity ng mga third week nako'y activity na IP man, murang magdoble ang ako.
Okay, Honorable, moved by Honorable Tani Lumbay from committee level to public hearing. Duly seconded by Honorable Balais. In the remarks, none, scheduled committee meeting will be on end of October. Motion is hereby approved. Leader of business.
Leader of business 1, first reading and referral of measures. A, Barangay Resolution number 20, series of 2025-21 proper. Resolution reprogramming the 20% balance for passage way of Barangay Health Station in the amount of 80,000 and BDRRM training taken from 70% of 5% balance in the amount of 20,000.
Mr. Chair,
Recognize Honorable Idusma.
Barangay Resolution number 20 series of 2005 of Barangay Kanipungan proper. I move first to second reading, Mr. Chair.
Second, Honorable Chair.
There's a pending motion, Honorable Idusma. Barangay Resolution number 20, series of 2025 of Barangay proper, duly seconded by Honorable Balais. In remarks, none, from first reading to second reading is hereby approved.
Letter B, Barangay Resolution number 31, series of 2025 of Kalibuan proper. A resolution revising the annual investment plan 2025 to include Kalahi sub-project, which is installation of solar street light from 20% balance in the amount of 200,000. BDRRM training taken from 70% to 5% balance in the amount of 20,000. Passageway of Barangay Health Station from 20% balance in the amount of 80,000.
Mr. Chair.
Recognize Honorable Butchungan.
Barangay Resolution number 31 series of 2025 of Barangay Kanipungan proper. I move from first to second to third, and final approval, Mr. Chair.
Second, Honorable Chair.
There's a pending motion, sponsored by Honorable Butchungan, from first to final approval. Barangay Resolution number 31, series 2025, Barangay Kanipungan proper, duly seconded by Honorable Balais. In remarks, none, motion is hereby approved.
Letter C, Barangay Resolution number 2025-11 of Mahikay, resolution to reprogram amounting to 45,000 from the 20% of 2024 annual budget for additional materials recovery facility to serve the 3 boroughs of Barangay Mahikay to the Misamis Occidental.
Mr. Chair.
Recognize Honorable Balais.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Barangay Resolution number 2025-11 of Barangay Mahikay, I move from first to second to third, and final approval, within our internal rules and procedure, Honorable Chairman.
Second.
Moved by Honorable Balais, duly seconded by Honorable Honorable Butchungan. Barangay Resolution number 2025-011 of Barangay Mahikay, from first reading to final approval. In remarks, none, motion is hereby approved.
This is for the day, second reading, letter A, Barangay Resolution number 28-2025 of Silumon. A joint resolution to reprogram an amount of 321,000 taken from unappropriated balance of CY 2024 for priority project of solar dryer of Silumon to the Misamis Occidental.
Mr. Chair.
Recognize Honorable Lagi.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I move resolution number 28-2025 of Barangay Silungon from second to third and third to final approval, waiving our internal rules. So move, Mr. Chair.
Honorable Chair. There's pending motion by Honorable Lilby Lagid, duly seconded by Honorable Bujungan, Honorable Parvino. Barangay Resolution number 28-2025, Barangay Silongon, from second to third and final approval. Any remarks? None. Motion is hereby approved.
Letter A, Barangay Ordinance number 1, Series of 2025 of Basira, or Ordinance prohibiting individuals or groups from hanging out and conducting activities such as loitering and drinking of liquor at the diversion road of Barangay Basira from 9:30 p.m. to 5 a.m. and providing penalties for violations thereof.
Submit na ba ang bago? Copy?
Wala. Mr. Chair.
I-recognize Honorable Lagid.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Item B, Mr. Chair, of the second reading is a ordinance of Barangay Basira, Mr. Chair. And the item C is Barangay ordinance also from Barangay Sinlonapo, which is same ordinance, Mr. Chair. As requested or suggested by the members of the two committee, Mr. Chair, the Committee on Public Safety and Committee on Laws, that their ordinance, Mr. Chair, is the time is 9, the curfew time is 9:30 to 5 a.m., Mr. Chair, which is contradict to the local ordinance which approved a few years ago, Mr. Chair. Therefore, the committee members suggested that the curfew time was is wala lang, Mr. Chair, o trohol na lang, considering na naman tayo time for curfew 10 to 4, and then, Mr. Chair, dili na lang kay, as suggested by the members, na dili lang 10 to 4 ang himo nila nga ordinance, kundi all
basta na i-public disturbance.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Then, Mr. Chair, only Barangay Sinlonapo naka-comply sa atong gihangyo nga approval ang mga ordinance, Mr. Chair. So,
ipinding mo sa inyo?
Ang ipinding lang doon?
Masira.
Masira. So, therefore, Mr. Chair, may I request the Secretariat to read the complete or the ordinance of the Barangay Basirang, so that the members of this august body can remarks or any manifestation with regards to the ordinance of Barangay Sinlonapo, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Before tayo proceed sa letter C, Honorable Lagi,
yes, Mr. Chair.
Please motion ko Barangay Resolution of Barangay Ordinance Barangay Basirang ato pang ipinding.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, item B, Mr. Chair, the proposed ordinance of Barangay Basirang number 001 series of 2025, Mr. Chair. I hope that it will be deeper, Mr. Chair, considering that they are not past the requirements, Mr. Chair.
Lay on the table.
Lay on the table?
Lay on the table.
Lay on the table, bawal sa kalendar daw.
Pinding lang sa.
Prepared, Mr. Chair.
Honorable Lagim, duly seconded by Honorable Bujungan, motion is hereby approved. Letter C.
Barangay Ordinance number 2, the 2025 Sinlonapo, an ordinance prohibiting individuals or groups from hanging out and conducting activities such as loitering and drinking of liquor at the diversion road of Barangay Sinlonapo from 9:30 p.m. to 5 a.m. providing penalties thereof.
Please, ma'am, ipasa natin, ma'am.
Moni siya ilang ordinance, Barangay Ordinance number 2, series of 2025, an ordinance prohibiting individuals or groups from hanging out and conducting activities as loitering and drinking of liquor at the diversion road, Barangay Sinlonapo, providing penalties for violations thereof. Title: This ordinance shall be known as the Diversion Road Curfew and Conduct Regulation Ordinance of Barangay Sinlonapo. Section 2 prohibited as it shall be unlawful for any individual or group to 1. Loitering or hanging out without valid purpose. 2. Drinking of intoxicating liquor or any alcoholic beverage. 3. Conducting any activity that may cause disturbance, obstruction, or endanger public safety. And 4, minors are not allowed from 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. Section 3, exemption. The following shall be exempt from the provision of this ordinance. A, emergency responders, barangay officials, and law enforcement officers in the performance of their official duties. Letter B, residents of the area passing through or returning to their homes. Letter C, individuals with valid reasons such as work or emergencies, provided they can present appropriate identification or justification. Penalties. A person found violating this ordinance shall be subject to the following penalties. First offense, verbal warning and community service of not less than 2 hours. Second offense, fine of 500 pesos or community service of not less than 4 hours. And third and succeeding offenses, fine of 1,000 pesos and our community service of not less than 6 hours, subject to the discretion of the punong barangay. Refusal to comply may result in temporary detention or referral to higher authorities as appropriate. Section 5, Implementing Authority. The Barangay Tanods, in coordination with the Barangay Peace and Order Committee and the Philippine National Police, shall be tasked with the implementation and enforcement of this ordinance. Section 60, parallel clause, if any part or provision of this ordinance is declared unconstitutional or invalid, the other provisions not affected thereby shall remain in full force and effect. Section 7, effectivity. This ordinance shall take effect immediately upon approval and posting in at least 3 conspicuous places within the barangay.
Okay, thank you. Any for discussion? Barangay ordinance number 002-2025 o Barangay Sentro na po. Any clarification? Any remarks?
Mr. Chair.
Okay, recognize Honorable again.
The Honorable Mr. Chair, yung mong rako with regards to the penalty, Mr. Chair. Si Honorable Parohinog, Mr. Chair. Katubang third offense nga 1,000 and discretion of the punong barangay, Mr. Chair. Kung sabay ninyo what is the pressure of the members of the
Ombudsman. Hindi siguro butang discretion of the punong barangay.
Oo, mamayang iingol, Mr. Chair. Kaya mura diba? Or discretion of the court, no? Okay, Mr. Chair.
Okay, Palio, please, Secretary, later the final penalty, third offense.
Third on succeeding offenses, fine of 1,000 pesos and or community service of not less than 6 hours, subject to the discretion of the punong barangay.
Kung hindi siya makahatag ng 1,000, 6 hours na community service. Discretion sa barangay, kung penalty ba siya, kung hindi siya patawag discretion, kaya siya may papilion. Hindi ang barangay captain mo magbuot. O if ever, kung gusto siya mabayad ng 1,000, huwag siya ikabayad, and then, ato siya sa community service. Dili ang kapitan mo ay mo. Sorry.
Pagkago na ito, Mr. Chair. So,
any further clarification and remarks on barangay ordinance sa Barangay Sentro na po? None? Any motion to proceed to final approval to third reading?
Mr. Chair.
Okay, recognize Honorable Lagi.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Barangay Ordinance number 002-2025 o Barangay Sentro na po, Mr. Chair. I move from second to third and final reading, Mr. Chair.
Honorable Lagi, Judicial Judge Honorable Bujugan, Honorable Idusma, Barangay Ordinance number 002-2025 o Barangay Sentro na po from second to third reading is hereby approved.
The third is veto message for a letter from the Municipal Mayor Stella Castaño dated September 17, 2025. Respectfully returning the Municipal Ordinance number 25-35, an ordinance imposing fees setting the rules and regulations for the use of the tennis court with comments, suggestions, and recommendations.
Okay, any motion? For third reading, nabalik ni siya na to second reading kaya na may suggestions and remarks ang ato ang gibituhan ng ordinance and Honorable Mayor base sa ang recommendations nga medyo gamay ra amount ng atong gibutang kabahin at dito na ay magpanula diha ng additional kung mag-assign ka o job order medyo gansay magalitan kapada ta sa empleyado nga atong i-assign. So kanina po, during the day sa mga invitational ka itong magpahigayon o mga private ito ng mga organizations na magpahigayon o tournament niya sa province.
Mr. Chair.
Okay, recognize ang Honorable Sumaba.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. We have a message for the third from the Municipal Mayor Stella O. Stanio, dated September 17. Regarding with this ordinance number 25-35, an ordinance imposing fees, setting and rules and regulations for the use of the tennis court. I move from second reading to third reading, Mr. Chair.
Okay, there's a pending motion by Honorable Sumaba. It is pending motion? Just stated by Honorable Idusma. In the remarks, none. Motion is hereby approved from second to third reading. Third and final. Okay, remarks, Honorable.
No, Mr. Chair, na-ako'y ikon for second to third, Mr. Chair.
Okay, proceed, Honorable Idusma.
Resolution number 20 series of 2025 of Barangay Kaniwang Travel. I move second to third and third to final reading, Mr. Chair.
From second to third to final approval. Idusma, duly seconded by Honorable Balais. In the remarks, none. Motion is hereby EBC matters, Honorable Centillas, any update?
Honorable Chair, good morning. Last issue, di ba nakaka? Okay. Napil sa akong minutan, Honorable Chair, of the recruitang basi, kanang nakakatong mga
regarding sa scheme, Mr. Chair, we have participated successfully participated the month-long celebration dito sa provincial level, Mr. Chair, with a positive outcome, Mr. Chair. All our participating teams from volleyball, men's and women's. Ang men's is nakakuha ang championship. They grab 40,000 na times 2 ni Gov na imong 80,000 na prize. Then ang sa women's na imong second placer with a prize na 20,000 times 2 po ni Gov. Tanang prizes is times 2 ni Gov. Na imong 40,000. Then sa basketball same na imong 40,000. Ang sa Mobile Legends 5,000 naman, 2,000 naman tayo na makuha. Times 2 ni Gov na imong 4,000. So, and na po yung mga special awards nakuha ang ato ang mga teams. Then, usa po, Mr. Chair, naghatag po si Gov og incentive per LGU. So, every LGU makadawat og 100,000 for victory party ba to? Or wala pa na-release ang cash, mga pamanggilan. Sa team, every team na kwan, Mr. Chair, like ilang migabok, 80 migabok sa kanila, so kana mo yung igasto for victory party, Mr. Chair. So, upcoming pa ko schedule or if ma-release na katong incentive nga ihatag ni Grove, ayaw pa kami maka-set of date for victory party, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Limbaga. IB matters.
Mr. Chair, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Mr. Chair, katong pangayong resolusyon bahay sa tourism, wala pa malunsad karon pang wisdom tungod kay adtong previous Biyernes na ako'y mga activity nga series. Wala gid pagkasabado, i-invite ko sa Gite, incorporated sa Amis. Wala di hapon ni Domingo wala. Mao tong karon adto na ko sa laon yang hapon. Wednesday ako magpahigayon ko para mabuhat mo itong resolusyon na support.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Alubay. Please kung talaga ka itong mapa na recommend during sa committee level na kung ima pa sa orkita na part ng nila katong sa at ang ancestor divinity na ako ka to the honorable.
Nagkuyog ko ini kuno sa ipinimilan sa pwede ko sa tuminagat itong Huwebes. Akong ipawala ko otro, magsulat siya sa region at kung mismo yung papel dito nga kung makakuha sila sa region. Ako siya lihan niyo, murag yung pamisa.
Thank you, Honorable Lubay. Other matters, recognize Honorable Ms. Don and next to follow, Honorable Parmino.
Okay, salamat Mr. Chair. Ako alang concern, Mr. Chair, no? Kanibang atong sound system. Yes, ako ang lugar ato ang LGU, no? Pero wow, kay paminahon, Mr. Chair. Makapanghatag ta o pilay amount by the million sa nanguban, tapos kita kapalit o tarong nga sound system. Kanina, or every Monday atong gamiton, kaya pagkahuman na ni, nilad kayo paminahon. Wala. Dugay kayo mahasugda ng activity, kay wala pa kayo inamuntar, tapos kapaw-pawang pa ng atua dihang sound system. Di ka ta makahangyo kay dungog baya ko sa itong lungsod siguro nga nindot ang sound system. Di na ta kinahanglan ng mangabang, no? Ato lang gamito nun every Monday. Kung napay laing mga event, gamito na nato. Parang kapat-pat na sound system itong gamiton. So, ako, muna akong concerned yun, Mr. Chair, na hinaoton ta, mabadjitan nag-insakto.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Ms. Don. During sa budget hearing, ato nang i-recommend during sa budget hearing sa executive department kaya sila rin yung purchase na mapalit kita brand new na sound system intended for flag raising ceremony gamito na ito. Dito sa inyo nila.
Kinabaratuhan, Sir Sirhan, natin ba kung rolling on, niya kinabaratuhan ng daog si leading. Bahala, basta maayos yung quality.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Ms. Don. Other matters, recognize Honorable Parolino.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Ako na nito for information na ito about sa local health board itong October 1. Na good news and bad news. Yun. Ano na kong good news? Nagplano si Inday Pagkat nga tagaan o one lifetime insurance sa mga DSW. Ilan kong i-appeal karon sa kuan ba budgeting. Hopefully, Honorable Chair nga masig ma-approve na po to. O almost mga 20,000 man out of 120 ka sa bulyo rin. Dayon kani nabagi-isa ka problema nila na ang Taiwan case karon for leprosy. Yung dili ba kuno ni si Patambal sa Diris Alexio.
Okay, curable naman siya na may tambal.
Dili ko magpakita mo nang basig nakabalo mo kinsa ni nga ako.
Ano sa ambits na
po. Dili ko Honorable Chair, dili salagman ako kay mo ana diha.
Asa man sa Leditic Hospital? Mars?
Ambot basta kay natay iwan case nga leprosy sa
Makon na nila on Mars.
Hopefully
sa medical center.
Hopefully ato lang
i-backing man na dili sa Alexio kung na-report na dito.
Muna sa RHU, Honorable Chair, ang sa teammates na isa po ka-problema gyapon. For information niya ko na ito ni, nagproblema ko ng teammates kung asa nila ilabay ilang wish. Sa panatik?
Dito na sa Kumanday.
Karon ilang gisudlan ang baril na. Ang baril na gisudlan nila sa ilang wish kanan.
Magkama data dito sa Tunabutan City. Yes. Naipurso dito nga kalutan na intended na ni Portudilla Hospital ang RHU.
During sa meeting, Honorable Chair, walang sige siya ang naasi ko Anra at administrator. Din karon pupuli nga maksyonan tong administrator kay problem yun nila kay na-stack na daw ang mga baril. Wala na sila ikabutangan.
Wala pa
pupuli nga mamaksyonan to sa ni Honorable administrator kay wala na sila nagchat-chat. Yung last, nabagi-isa ka problema gyapon. True kirop sa Association Barangay Council. Kana ko ng pasyente nga dalon dira sa teammates IBC. Kinahanglan ang watcher dili kuno hubog. Kay magdala kuno watcher hubog. Kay na kuno one case na matay ang pasyente sa CR. Kay watcher hubog, nakatulog.
Dili mo na tambalan nahubog ng pasyente babanggan.
Mo ni nga si ang report sa Dr. Distura. Ang watcher kuno please. Ayaw lang kuno ng hubog, padala. O gikirot sa mga barangay kampo.
overlayan nga makabantay.
Ambot lang, basta mura ginay mo na ipaikalon yung
Wala yung magbantay. Ang kapitan na magbantay. Hindi man mo.
Kana, pwede ko na. Anak na lang yun.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Prohinog. Sa mga concern na inindot, na positive, na negative, pero at least ma-resort na ito na sa mga adlaw. Okay, gusto na siya, Honorable Budjungan?
Ano ba sa regarding sa WhatsApp? Hindi na pwede mag-pandit na WhatsApp o palitan nagsurog na ita.
Hindi, pwede panggalit ulit WhatsApp o mix.
Last year,
Ingon ni Honorable Budjungan, Honorable Prohinog, ipre ko na pwede mag-WhatsApp o mag-solo ra. Kung request rin ko na siya nurse nila, labi na ka ng guwapa nga nurse. Hindi pwede, Honorable. Recognize, Honorable Ms. Don.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair. Ano lang, makutala lang ko about pa ito yung lifetime insurance for the DSW. Life, one payment.
One ra.
One payment, yung lifetime na siya.
Kay,
ang insurance.
ambot ko palo mo yung i-propose ni Doktora Bagkat karon. Almost 160,000 ang iyang i-target. Out of 120 ka SW, 160 ang accredited. And the rest is apply
Basta life insurance, dili lifetime.
Basta one time insurance lang Honorable Chair, one time.
One time payment.
One time payment. Nakakaroon namatay ng SW, wakabuo, pero ngayon, wala ito niya mo'y kayo, wag ito mo kunoy na nadawa.
Mr. Chair.
Mo to'y plano ni Doktora.
Okay, thank you. Honorable Wilson, okay na? Okay, Honorable Wilson.
Mr. Chair, kan ibang life insurance o lifetime insurance na siya. Mas maayon sila ito ng CBO.
Hindi, mangutana lang ta kayo.
Mangutana lang ako.
Wala may lifetime insurance, kaya hindi mong edad nagtaas. So, kaya yung insurance na i-coverage na, age limit lang. Kaya kung i-enroll na ito natin sa kinsa, gun-share insurance na. So, kung nasiguro yung one payment, 1 year payment, 1 year na siya, coverage niya.
Pero malaki.
Ay, sa vaccine na, pero magbayad mga vaccine ka na po.
Mr. Chair,
Okay, kung nasa Honorable Balaes.
iklaro lang ako, Mr. Chair. Kanibang one-time payment or lifetime na insurance, kining mga CBO based na appointed by the punong barangay. Pagka election, sunod ka lang. Lakas na katundanan o budaog ang kontrol sa ilang kapitan. So, iklaro mo lang, Mr. Chair.
Naman ko tayo bala doon sa pinakarta for HW, ato mga appointed ng mga official sa barangay, dili kita siya automatic ma-represent, dili siya part sa political conflict sa barangay, kuman sa ibang election. Kaya naay pang nakarta ang tanan, pero usahay lagi, makasunod magiging ang politika usahay, pero muna, for consideration, kung hindi siya magputol sa bagong elected nga barangay officials, better. Pero kung ma-alisdan, dili man na. Kaya dili man kita appointing authority sa barangay. Kung dili man, may captain naman ang appointing authority sa barangay. Kaya masing ko sa baong ninyo.
Nami-meeting ka rin October 10,
I-update lang siguro yung Honorable Sumabat. Base sa naitapos sa Cebu karon, base sa baong ninyo. So, mo-attend ka December kung
Manila.
I-remind lang mo. Sa gilid Manila, basta kayo mo-attend ka.
Okay, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair,
Okay,
nalala ko i-query, Mr. Chair. Ang katuwang sabihin mo sa pasay, turnover ka rin.
Sa Friday.
Kung sabi na ito, sa orasa, Kadlawon. Kung sabi ito sa utol.
Ito lang orange, ito nga yung orange.
Ito na na.
I-post na yan. I-post na yan.
Bagong yatag sa DepEd.
Itom.
Nakuha ka kayo sa
Dito mo tato na.
Kato lang ito sa ton.
Go tayo sa buhay.
Advertise ang
Go tayo kayo po.
Kato kayo na ay buhay sa Subanin.
Go tayo.
Ito mo. Adjust na naman. Patastasin na naman ito.
Wala na yung law para ito. Isila ito. Lars, mag-ito na order ako.
Okay naman, Lars.
Go kayo man.
Pagpali lang ito sa kilit pa. Panuwagin mo na may tila.
Atani.
Ay, ano?
Dosito mo na.
Friday ha. Attend ka sa mga kinasigog.
Sa orasa, morning.
Sa'yo, mag-wala sa program. Kaya nag-aabat ang journey ka mo.
Patawag. Sa kumbigil mo.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mother's Christmas. Ini masuk na adjourn, decision.
I move to adjourn.
Okay, mo by Honorable Pangino. Seconded by Honorable Santilla. So, decision is hereby adjourned.
One TV special report.